like show you what I really work on my day job. So this is when I start working normally, and then I work until like the evening. The day is done. Then I get on to do some of my own stuff, and then in the end of the day I start streaming when I'm like dead tired. So I'm thinking I need to change that. I need to change that and probably stream when I'm a little bit of when I'm like a little bit more fresh, in the morning, which is now. So let's go. Start it up. Wait for a bit. It comes up, the iOS stuff. I always have only the iOS stuff on the side. Normally don't use Android when I'm coding. Right. Normally I don't talk when I'm like coding stuff, but it's cool. So it's our main app is having a side app because we have like a 14-week sports event going on for the kids, and that's what the app is for, the kids. So we're thinking we want to make a light version for the parents only, right? Where you don't have all the things that our app has. There's a design change going on right now, so that's something else as well. So here I am. This doesn't connect to the backend yet, right? It has like a very cut out version of the main app. It's like just 10% of the app is here. Right? And it only has like the 10% of the main app, but it's because it's so light, we're hoping like it's gonna be okay because it's only for parents. For when the game happens, parents wanna go click some pictures and all that. So we're testing this hypothesis, right? So 14 weeks, it's all static stuff. If you click on it, like these games are all mostly static. Even every day you have some game. So 14 people advise at CTP has a shadow but cannot calculate the shadow efficiently. Consider setting a solid background color to fix this, or apply the shadow to a more specific component. What's this? Soccer params gamed it. First non-serializable values. Okay, we're just copying pasting a lot of stuff from the previous app, so a lot of the raw data is there for no reason. These are the teams, so basically you can create a team. Holy shit, what is this? Yeah, default props, major JavaScript, default params instead. What is this? Virtualized list shouldn't be nested. Okay, cool. So that, and you can select like different types of stuff. Enter your team name and that, and submit. I guess it's a very rough app right now. So what I did was I took like previous comments from like 3 or 4 years ago in our main app, like brought them in here, and used cursor to really quickly get something up and running. So over here you have, what is this params thing going on? I hate it when things like that happen. Home screen, soccer screen. Is this the params data? Where's the params data? Params, route params, match ID. Yeah, there's no match ID to be honest. But is the match ID being used anywhere? Nah. Is this what it's complaining about? Let's see. Let's check it out. Yeah, see that? So it had like only one one what do you call it? One param that wasn't passed properly. Like I wasn't in the previous app. You'd have a list from the servers, list of games. You'd click it, get into the main like the engine, and it would obviously have a match ID because you need all the data. So in this app, which doesn't connect to a backend yet, we're like, okay, the match ID was like being passed anyway, right? Because I copied and pasted from the previous thing. And it was complaining about it. So it was giving me like a whole lot of messages. Come on, man. I was like, whoa, what's happening? What's happening with my app? It's broken. No. Error messages, bruh. The Rust error message is the best. It tells you shit. Like, yo, this is happening. It's probably you meant to do that. Love it. Love Rust. So, goals, state-based stuff, design could do a change. I mean, our design actually changed after this. It looks way different. Actually, let me show you what the design looks like. It is not my app, by the way. It's a company I work for. I've been working for them for past almost 5 years now. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This is much better version of that. I guess we can bring that out actually. The vertical version, like it's like 5,000 comments in that app. So it's difficult to find where actually we changed stuff. Like there's like 5,000 comments there. Let me show you. Not in here. In the dev side, there's like 5,000 comments already, right? So in this huge app, 4 of us worked on this app. This was the team that cost us $8,000 per month, by the way. Actually, I think this team cost us a bit less. 2.5, 6.5. This cost $7,000. $7,000. This team. Oh, let me record this shit because it's good material. Yeah. So basically, app like this, huge app, has more than 150 screens, works on both iOS and Android, has 3 game engines and all that, done by a small team of this that costs $7,000 per month, and that's what you get, and it's 5,000 comments, right? And the comments are pretty big, each of them. It's not like just one line and then a comment. So you can get something like this in Asia, a team making your app. If you have a solid idea, then $7,000 for a team like this, including me, right? Including me leading the team. And then you have like some kick-ass top talent like Anis. This guy's a top talent. Yeah. So DM me if you want to learn about more. Right, so that's one shorts or something like that. Right, so I'm like, we've got this. I guess I should change it at least to this, cause darling delay. Should I just bring this screen because this was done really well? The problem is bringing this in. It has a lot of the things that this app doesn't need actually. But I need the top one because the top one has let's see if Cursor can hack it. I need also to see that finding it will be a trouble because that's like few years back we did it. Was it 2000? Let's check like January. Let's check what's happening there. Yeah, let's see what happened in January. We all merged, fixed progress, but country onboarding beautification pending. You can see the typo. That's the problem with these kids. Don't speak English very well. Soccer card component design. Let me see. Actually, soccer result card. Okay. You can see a lot of work goes in every day. Recorded video link, something. Show pending verification. When was it that we totally took it out of the app? Anyway, so this is the camera, right? So the goal is to take photos, and the easiest thing to do actually is, instead of figuring that out, by the where is cursor? Instead of figuring it out, like where was like the last good looking version, we can just build it. Timer, 20 minutes timer, goals, everything works, foul works, which team. This was like the preliminary version of that, like we did, and then the design morphed and became this. Right, the design changed and became this. Oh, not that. What's yeah, not that. Here, yeah. So the design changed into this instead. From here, the design and then the design changed again into horizontal. So every time you get into the game, it would become horizontal. So we search because what is this thing? Camera screen. I'll tell him. I want to bring from timeline. Where is this? Navigate camera. Guess we need it inside the game engine. Guess game scheduled game. Nah, not scheduled game. Soccer screen. Yeah, this one. It's all the queries like are. I guess we'll have to put it somewhere. Why not on the top? Should I bring in the top bar though? From here. Should I bring in the top bar from the main screen? There's a sports app. Where was soccer dot screen? Huge ass file, man. Huge ass file. Horizontal, not vertical. Okay. So if not full screen, what then? What happens if it is not full screen? Yes, okay, that's we don't have that scenario. Let's say we don't have that scenario. Okay. So we don't need this. The surrounding. Okay, we don't need that. This is the problem. This app changed so much over the years. Why am I closing the Brave browser all the time? Come on. App Store. Yeah. So I want this, but this vertical thing was taken out. I can't figure out when. So you know what? Let's ask ChatGPT to build it for me. Cursor. Can you soccer screen? Can you build this component for me in where? In this screen. Yeah, let's ask ChatGPT like cursor, because it's like we built it, all of it, and that's like it'll be like difficult thing to find through the suddenly scorecard. Yeah, scorecard. That's even called like scorecard. Scoreboard. That's what it's called. Even we call it scoreboard. Let's. I guess not in here. Is there a components thing going on somewhere? Yeah. Scoreboard. Scoreboard JS. I think it's called result card or something in our main app. Let's just put it down here. Man, this is what the like a lot of junior devs they're like, what I'm gonna do? I don't know nothing. Man, you don't have to do nothing. You just have to build like small shit like this. So we CTOs can actually not code. And then the other day, someone's like, yo, CTOs, if CTOs can't code, they're like no better than team manager. Bruh, we haven't come here without coding our ass off. You know? Hopefully soon I can get the team back together. And then I won't have to like, is there like, so team name, what do I have to give them? Date, location, game type half, first half, second half. Okay, let's see what it has built it. Give me how to, yeah, scoreboard, soccer screen, import this from, okay. Scoreboard. Okay. This is in components, nice scoreboard, and then the scoreboard components in my render method somewhere. Yeah. Let's put it here, like exactly in here. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't break. It break. Brock. Access rectangle. Team A image URI. Why require is what requiring text image source. Yeah, like why would you use liner gradient? Like who the hell told you to use liner gradient from Expo? Like stupid cunt. Yeah. Okay, what now? Dude, what now? Date, location. Text strings. Where do I have that issue? Team A could be this. Probably. Text strings. And this is an issue. Text strings, text strings. Okay, alright, it's here. It's here. Probably. This one. Fucker. Yo, this doesn't have. Okay. What you gonna do? What you gonna give here? Show me. Autocomplete. Show me. Team A goals, team A name, team B name. Yeah. Team A name. Actually, team A dot name. Team B dot name. Yeah. What? Don't say nothing. Okay. Team A goals, team B goals. Not really what I had in mind. So let's ask him again. Can't use gradient. Change it so background colors are there. It's not that nice now, but it's cool. Like it generated this in a jiffy, right? Yeah, but I don't know why I'm like, oh man. Apply to the scoreboard. Yep. Nice, that's what I want. You don't have to use base. Don't use base. I don't need base. Okay, I don't need base. It's fast stuff. Can you make it a bit bigger? Like, width should be at least 80%. Make it bigger. Make it bigger. Also, it pushed down our shit. Fucker, not height. Okay. Not height. Only width. It made it too big. Ain't bad. Like, it does things pretty fast for you. What did it change? Change nothing. No. There's no point. Still big. Now it's like using dimensions. Holy shit. Alright, I see you. Where are you? Yeah. Because, like, if you did it by hand, that's what you had to do. Go and, like, yeah, that's what I want. But, so you'd have to change this. This saves time. Definitely saves time. Because, okay. Okay. Timelines, not this, sucker skin, yeah. I don't need this then. Aduket. I don't need the scoreboard. Yeah, Aduket. And yeah, on top. There's something on top, like on top of this in the container. Yeah, why is that? Padding top. Don't have padding top. Let's take it out, see what happens. Yeah, that happens. So padding top is like 5%. Just have like 5% for now. So what's wrong? Oh, 1. What? That's alright. For now. Da 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 da. Okay, the date needs to come from somewhere else. On top, is there like a date thing? Okay, for now we're not even doing the dates, so in the route params there should be dates. That should come from here because there are dates. It should show the date. Da-da-da-da. Ah. This whole thing is check Twitter. Bad habits, man. Bad habits. Da-da-da-da. Take that phone out. Yo, is someone here chatting with me? Bruh, you chatting? No one's chatting? Bullshit. No one's chatting shit. Alright. Alright, what's now? Winner and all. I need to bring in the camera. Cole, can you bring the camera button we have in AppJS? I think it's in AppJS, right? It's not in AppJS. Bullshit. What's wrong? What? From already included file name. What's this called? Camera screen. Yeah. Dude, it's not camera screen, it's that. I don't know what the error is all about. Bullshit. I call bullshit. Okay. Dude, bring in the camera button we have in AppJS. Not in AppJS. Where do we have it? Timeline. I'll even give you the camera button. Bye bye. I'll give you the camera button. In Soccer.js. Sometimes I feel like coffee. I need coffee. Should I go make some coffee first? Come back. Where is this? It codes like a medium developer. That's for sure. Like it's putting everything in one place, which is fine. Dude, I know how to do that. If I did that instead of giving it to you, I would have put it in myself, man. What's the point of giving it to you? Should I do this? See what happens. Why not? What is life but a fleeting moments? It added that shit. It added the styles. It added that. What did it add? Who knows? Okay. Yeah, the camera is here. Oh. So the camera is here. So if I take a picture, now we have to add the damn backend to it, which is a task. And then take photo, upload it in somewhere, then show it somewhere. That's like number one. And then second will be adding video. That's number two. Third will be uploading videos. And fourth will be showing it. Man, I need coffee for that. I don't have a BRB sticker, be right back sticker. But I need coffee. Anyway, capture. What's this? Let's use my phone, see if camera works. We've gotten used to this so much, like opening up Xcode, and some people loves not having it on their PC and all that. I've gotten used to it. Like I, it's like, yeah, whatever. Let it build. The camera library is this. From Tesla. Nang Mong Jiu. The main guy behind this is this guy, Aaron Grider. Has a React Native template, boilerplate. Why don't you use this? Imagine that, right? Look at that. Nice. Works on web too. Why not? I don't understand why people pays for boilerplates and shit. Camera kit has OCR as well, but I haven't. People who are like, look at my GitHub profile, look at him. Crazy fucking talks, man. Where's my Spurs? Loading. Can't launch because I took it out. Come on, bruh. Run this shit. Okay, as it happens. My mug is there as well. Camera works, baby. Camera works. Camera works. Flipping works too. People loves themselves. No wonder Photo AI is making a killing. All right, so we need to add this to uploading it somewhere. How about we don't add backend at all? Just put it up somewhere from the front end using Cloudinary. Okay. Let's go. Camera engine plus scoreboard. Okay, so now if you pick pictures, put it up somewhere. Yeah. I'll just copy and paste it from This is for camera roll. Hmm. So you can upload it, but to save where we have uploaded it, to save that URL, we do need to connect to backend anyway. Which means I'll have to bring in the backend. Which ain't anything bad, it's just it means I need coffee. That's what it means. I'm coming back in a sec. I'm back, guys. Back with a cup of coffee. Fresh cup of coffee. Yeah. So, let's talk for a bit. I got my coffee. Man, I need my coffee. Let's talk about shit. I understand why Prime went like full blown just talking mode, because this is fun to talk. It ain't no fun talking. And why am I getting into like my private email? Look at that. Look at that. Let's get on to Twitter. Do some roasting and shit. Trump, USA, Israel. Fuck that shit. Projects usually grow over time, but reacting to vision is only getting smaller. That kid is a whiz kid, the Oscar kid. The entire reactive ecosystem is being like, what should I call it? Handheld, babysitted by Poland. all the great reactive devs are from here, probably because they're very good C++ devs. And then Saad comes in here and says, yo, congrats, how did you make that graph? I'm curious what is into the graph, right? What React-Native macOS would look like. This is a result of our 75 peers to React-Native core from our fork. Here's the code diff between React-Native Vision as compared to upstream for each version. Man, that whole upstream job is nasty shit. It's like React Native is moving forward and you're trying to play catch up. But Saad does a great job, and Saad and his team. Love this boy, man. That's my boy Saad. Nice. Another one is this Mycroft guy. He works with in this guy. Works in the Harmless team, doing like crazy shit. Like this is some crazy shit. The Harmless is gonna do space, right? Another great guy. If you wanna learn like React, learn from him. It's great. Island technology in the name of the optimization. Like one. I need that on-air thing on my back. In here. Oh man, coffee. They call it coffee chat, right? Vision S. He used to work from Microsoft. Then he got burnt out. I started playing with animation. I mean, that's what happens, man. People get burnt out, and they're like, "Yo, I want to do something fun." And I think I don't know how much money he makes, but and as always, man, I love this man. No, Mike is a great automotive guy. I mean, I think if everything goes down and ChatGPT Cursor takes our job, me and him, we're gonna open up a car shop. Who's this kid? Who's this kid? Who knows? Man, these guys. I gotta go sometime, man. Recently they had theirs. I don't know how many they have all the time. Our React Native Queen, Kadi Kraman. Recently I've started working for, Kadi, React Native Queen, we call her. Great guy, single-handedly holding down the fort for London React Native. Our brother Mo, a ton of new people. Like you know that the developer pool for React Native is big when you don't know people, when you don't know everyone. Like back in the day, we knew everyone. Like, yo, what's up? Like the other day, I was talking to someone. Actually, I was talking to Adam, and he was like, "I've worked on your code, man. You left that project, and I came back next, and I worked on your code." I was like, "Oh, really? That's crazy." I'm teenage programmer to React Native, Maven. Yeah, this is another Qiskit. This is another Qiskit. Both of them are. Look how young they are. But this is what happens when you like code from a young age. This kid has like, the kid on the right is the CEO of Margello. There is the guy who runs React Native Vision OS. It's a camera package that I don't use because it moves so fast, it breaks all the time. But it does some crazy talk stuff. Some crazy talk stuff. And Margello and his team are like probably the best. The three the best, in my opinion, three best guys in React Native in terms of if you want a service agency to make a React Native app, there's three. One of these guys, like Margello, that's like one of them. These guys, like the call stack, they're the second. That's not like first and second, actually. Let's not call it first and second. The first will be Hamon. Infinite Red, these guys. Yeah, this guy, always on top of mind. They are the best, hands down. They're the best. These guys on React Native Radio has like 400 episodes now, right? Infinite Red, that's what it's called. They're the best so far. So if you want to work with them, if you got like work with them, why not? Just work with them. Right, and then the best part of the coffee is coming up. Whoo! That hit the spot. So them, and then you have call stack guys. All right, the call stack guys. These guys, and then you have Margello. Three, I would recommend three. I don't do like agency stuff, otherwise I could have helped you out. App development done right. They are like these kids, all the guys who work here, I know them for years. Come on, man. Come on, Margello. Like these guys, so like hired them, they're in Poland. I don't know their prices and all that, but like team upskilling, they have that too. You can equip your developers with latest knowledge and tools. Developer training, that's something I want to get done for my team. Although I can do the same. But I just like, yeah, come on. Let's someone do the work, man. I'm lazy. So, Infinite Red, Call Stack, Margello guys. Everyone who works there is like React Native ninjas. But why is their website not loading? Come on, man. Come on, Mark. You're gonna make it first. Is he works for their? What? He works for them now? Oh no. Yeah. Come on. So anyway, so like Terry, I know, like everyone I follow for like a long time, and they made React Native Vision OS, and Vision OS is like their brainchild, and they started like a agency, and they're one of the best too. But they're kids, young kids. Call Stack, Infinite Red. So, actually, let me show you the website. Come on. Right. So if you want to work with React Native and you want to hire an agency, the best guy, the guy who has been there from the beginning is Hamon. Like Infinite Red is his company's name. They have the best guys. Like even they work with Microsoft and big names like that, right? They do conferences. They've been there from the beginning. React Native Radio is something like, it's like 400 episodes now, right? I think Microsoft's Xbox app was made by them. I think can't tell for sure. Don't quote me on that. But like they've worked with like almost everyone. So if you got like, and they're not that expensive either. Like if you are like a big company, you should easily be able to afford it, right? Infinite Red, get work done by them and save yourself the headache. And the second, and it like, yeah, look at this React Native. That's like they have like 400 of them, 400 episodes or something. They've been doing it like, yeah, 184 episodes. Come on, man. Right, the second is CallStack. The single-handedly, these CallStack guys have like, they're doing the most, I think they're doing the most amount of open source PRs to the main React Native core. They're from Poland. They hold like this React Native stuff, React Native, what you call it, conferences and all that. So they have heaps of information and knowledge, and anything you can get done, they can get done. So if you wanna go in US, go with Infinite Red from Common. If you wanna go in Poland, elsewhere, go with CallStack guys. And then third is Margello, who is everyone in this list. For some reason, their pictures aren't loading, but everyone in this list, like they made the React Native Visionaries, which is a great thing. It's an up and running kid. Like it's this kid. Come on, kid. Like this kid. You can see they're like young, but everyone they're like in the brinks of the React Native stuff. So these are the three: Infinite Red, Total, CallStack, and Margello. These are the three guys I would recommend. Like I don't do like agency stuff. I work for a company, so otherwise, and I don't want to like deal with the different kind of stuff as well. So yeah, these three other companies, man. If you are going for it, do it. Yeah, I think it finally. No, it is hasn't loaded yet. What's up with that, bruh? Margello, get your shit together. What's happening, Mark? Like, they got some nice shit over there. But it's a simple place. Let me see. Check out the LinkedIn. Let me check out the LinkedIn. 500 followers. Shit. Total employees 10 to 20. It's new company, but like it's gonna be cool. CallStack, you can't go wrong with them. Look at that. The presentation is on top. Right. Team. Like Mike. What moves around right nowadays? Who's this guy? I've never heard of him. I know Mike. This Michael. It's a great guy as well. All these Michaels and Roddiks, they're the top of the land. This kid is a whiskey. He's a teenager. Hasn't even become a man yet. and he's great, by the way. I love him. Love this kid. Right. So I think I can't remember if he joined Expo or not. But anyway, so these are the guys. If you really want to get your shit done, like in React Native, go check them out, man. Because these guys are the real deal. They work. I mean, for the Microsoft project they worked with. I know that. Come on, family, man. Look at how many. God bless him, man. How many kids? I only thing I wish, like I got married as soon as him. That's the only thing I wish. Well, I married like 10 years later. He got married like when he's 20s. That's when everyone should get married, right? I got married when I was in my 30s, and then he got married when he was 20. So it's like now his kids are like now going to university, and my eldest is like his youngest at that age, youngest or middle one that age. So yeah, man. All right, coffee is done. Coffee break is over. Let's get back to this shit. Yeah. Stupid ass app. Alright, man. I gotta do it. Shit. Hopefully, we're gonna add like the Apollo GraphQL and whatnot. So I'm gonna end the stream right now because I gotta work.